Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, due to network power failure, I lost the connections. Yeah, sorry for that. Again, I rejoined. Yeah, see here. So in the given circuit, if you see here, now can anybody answer? What is the see here? Similarly, see here, this component, the current is entering at this you have to mark it positive, this you have to mark it as negative. Similarly, coming to here, this voltage source. So the current is the negative and leaving at the positive, right? Okay, for this you have to follow dimensions. Okay, what are the potential increments? Potential
Sir, voice
increments.
is
So
breaking,
what is the
sir.
potential
Your voice
increment?
is breaking.
Hello.
Yeah, is it okay now?
Yes,
Yes,
Is
sir.
it
sir.
okay? Is it audible? Right? Is it clear? చెప్పండి తర్వాత హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ దగ్గర క్లాస్ జరుగుతుంది. Yeah, is it clear వాయిస్ ఇప్పుడు వినిపిస్తుందమ్మా? Is it visible? Presentation కనిపిస్తుందా?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. See. What is the potential increment? Potential increment means if the conventional current is uh, entering at the negative and leaving at the positive, that we can treat it as a potential increment. For that network element, the sign you have to consider it as positive. Similarly, potential decrement means if the conventional current is entering at the positive terminal and leaving at the negative terminal, that network element for that network you have to consider that sign as negative, right? Now if you write the KVL for this one, this circuit, see here. Here, for this voltage source, the conventional current is entering at the negative and leaving at the positive. So here we can write it as plus V minus. Why here we are writing minus? Here the conventional current is entering at positive and leaving at negative. So minus I R1 minus I R2 is equal to 0, right? So therefore V equal to V equal to V equal to I R1 plus I R2, or simply you can write as I equal to R1 plus V equal to take common I of R1 plus R2. This is the KVL for this simple circuit, KVL equation. Yeah, we'll see one more. We'll take one more circuit diagram. Yeah. R1, R2, R3 voltage. Okay, we will take some numerical values here. 5 volts plus minus. This R1 is 2 ohms and 3 ohms, 5 ohms. Right now, write the KVL equations, and find the I current value, I value, right? So, what are the sign conventions you have to follow while writing the KVL? By applying KVL. So, what are the sign conventions you have to follow? For the given circuit, first you draw the conventional current direction, right? So, you have to draw conventional current direction opposite to that of the electron movement. Means you have to draw conventional current like this, in this direction. Okay, while drawing the conventional current direction, you have to mark these network element leads. That is the conventional current entering point. This lead you have to mark it as positive, and leaving point you have to mark it as negative. And this also from this for this one you have to mark it as positive. This negative. Here it is positive, and this is negative. Right now you have to see the potential increments and potential decrements. So based on that potential increments and potential decrements, you need to uh, uh, write these sign conventions, right? See here. So here you start from here, from the battery, that is 5 plus 5. Why you have to 5 plus 5? Here if you see here, the conventional current here, it is entering at the positive and leaving at the entering at the negative and leaving at the positive, right? So it is a potential increment. So we have to consider this sign as positive. Similarly, next one, you see here. So what should be the value of this one? 2, this resistance value into I, that is 2I minus 3I minus 5I is equal to 0. So according to KVL says that the algebraic sum of voltages in a closed loop is equal to 0. Right? So that is V 5 equal to 10I. So therefore I equal to 10 by 5. That is approximately equal to 0.5 amperes. So inside of this loop, the 0.5 amperes current is flowing. Is it clear?
Sir, 5 by 10.
5 by
Sorry,
10.
5 by 10. It is 0.5, 1 by 2. R1, R2, R3. This is 5 volts. This is 2 amperes, 2 ohms, 3 ohms. This is 5 ohms. Okay. By using KVL, find I. Right. So to write the KVL.
Sir, sir,
Yes. See here. Yes, చెప్పమ్మా ఏంటమ్మా? Who is that? Hello? So that is 5 minus 2i minus 3i minus 5i is equal to 0. So therefore 5 equal to 10i, that is I equal to 5 by 10, that is equal to 1 by 2 equal to 0.5 amperes. Now you see the another circuit, that is 10 volts, one ohm, 5 volts, 10 volts. Yeah. Hello? Hello? Please respond. Is it Vinpisnama?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All
Yes,
right.
sir.
Yeah. Can anybody tell what is the current direction we have to take?
1.6.
1.6. I equal to 1.6. What is the current direction we have to take it? Conventional current direction. Hello?
+2 minus.
Hmm?
From 1 ohm to 10 ohm.
From 1 ohm to 10 ohm. Okay. Here my question is, why we have to choose in this direction? What will happen if we choose it in the opposite direction? Why can't we choose in the opposite direction? How much you got if you take in this direction? I equal to how much you got? Hello?
1.6, sir.
1.6
Yeah.
amperes, right? Okay. First we'll write in this direction and we will see in the other method also, right? Now you tell me what is the KVL equation? How will you write KVL? Writing the KVL. So based on this conventional current direction, you have to first write these polarities for each network element. So the entering point of this conventional current entering point of network element, that we read as a positive and leaving point negative, so that it is positive, it is negative, it is positive, it is negative, right? Now 10 minus 1i minus 5i minus 10i is equal to 0. So that is 10 equal to 16i. So therefore I equal to 10 by 16.
0.625, sir. 0.625.
0.62.
Okay, 0.62.
625.
625. .625 amperes, right? Is it clear how we got this negative and how we got this here positive? These sign conventions are clear. Is it clear? Sign conventions?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. See here, I'll write here simply short method. Potential increment, potential decrement. Okay. See here, if the conventional current, see this arrow is the conventional current direction. If the conventional current direction, if the conventional current is entering at the positive terminal of any network element and leaving at the negative terminal, we have to consider that as positive. And similarly, if conventional current is entering at negative and leaving at positive, this is entry and leaving. Entry at negative and leaving at positive, we have to negative. Entry at negative and leaving at positive, we have to treat it as positive. Yes, is it clear now? So based on this only, so this we can call it as a entering at positive and leaving at negative is called as a potential decrement. Potential decrement. And entering at negative and leaving at positive, we can call it as a potential increment. Means simply all potential increment you have to consider sign as negative. All potential increments you have to consider sign as positive. Decrements you have to consider negative. Increments you have to consider as positive. So that's why here, if you see here, the conventional current in this battery, it is entering negative, leaving positive. So entering negative, leaving positive. That's why here we got positive. Whereas here, entering at positive, leaving at negative. Entering at positive, leaving at negative. So means potential decrement. So here we have to write the negative here. Similarly, here also entering positive, leaving negative. So here you have to write the negative minus I. Right? Here also entry positive, leaving negative, minus 10i is equal to 0. So that is 10 equal to minus 10 equal to 69. Therefore, I equal to 0.625 amperes.
Sir, what about attendance, sir?
Yes, attendance.
Yes, sir, attendance.
Wait, I will take. Okay, thank you for listening. I'll stop here. So in the next class we'll see the KCL, current Kirchhoff's current law. Okay, we'll see some more problems on KVL and we'll go for the KCL. I'll read out the absentees. Please all
Sir,
of you please
please,
enter and you can leave. Please enter your roll numbers in the chat box.